Hey guys, Luke here from Mainline Overland. We have 3 locations up and down the East Coast, New Hampshire, Pennsylvania, and North Carolina. We're your overlanding outfitters. We were very, very proud to partner with Red Arc to do your Power Your Wild build. Here we have the ARB Summit bumper, pole bar bumper, ARB Solus lights. We have a Badlands winch that we installed here as well. We also installed this ARB twin air compressor mounted on the sleeve mount for the Toyota Tacomas. This will serve all your air compressor needs for lockers, airing up your tires, whatever else you need for that, even blowing up a beach ball if you really want to. Coming around over to this side, we did the up top Overland roof rack and bed rack, as well as the ARB touring awning and the Simpson tent. We also installed the Old Man Emu Nitrocharger 2-inch lift on the front here, and then back here we have the full leaf pack, as well as the Nitrocharger shocks in the rear, giving the vehicle a total of about 2 inches of lift. Back here, we have the annex room for the tent, as well as the ARB drawer and slide. The biggest key to this build was the Red Arc Red Vision system that we installed in this vehicle as well. Right here you can see the Red Arc Red Vision control panel here to control all your accessories and keep an eye on your auxiliary battery. So the Red Vision is a total vehicle management system. You can control everything from your auxiliary lighting, your fridges in the back, air compressors, disconnect power for your winch, or whatever else you might need for any other kind of accessories that you need power solutions. The Red Vision also takes care of your DC to DC charging for shore power, solar power, as well as off the vehicle alternators. So here at Mainline Overland, we are very, very happy to show Ben, the contest winner, his new ride.
Wow. That's awesome. That's incredible. Very happy. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy it.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
I can't believe it. It looks amazing.